is Yoma table water, and I drink it to the glory of Aluta.
Greatest Nigeria today. Aluta continua.
Victoria, quickly bring the certificate of Nigeria and the diaspora. I, Comrade Chris Onojacha, the national president and number one citizen of this great body, hereby present this certificate of adoption to Yoma, to the Chief Executive Officer of Yoma Farm Resort, the maker of Yoma Table Water, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and in the name of the struggle. From the purchase of pure water by Nigerian students, or sachet water by Nigerian students, we will realize that over the years, the difference will be so large. In fact, it's going to be a gulf, and the multiply effect will be equally a gulf. So therefore, we decided that let us encourage him. In the encouraging him, we want others in the society to look at him as an epitome of example and follow, so that the society will be better for us. He could have exploited. He has everything to exploit Nigerian students, but they decided no, he shouldn't exploit. That is why today we are honoring him. So I want to encourage you and appeal to you strongly to look at this award that we are about to give you today, not as an end, but our intention strongly towards motivating you to do more for the society, and equally to let you know that we appreciate you. In those days, activists were not appreciated. People who did good for activists were not appreciated, but we feel that is an error, and as far as we know, an error left uncorrected is worse than a sin of immorality. Is that not the truth? Yes. So today we must correct that error. That's why we are here today to present to you this award. An award presented to the Chief Executive Officer of Yoma Farm Resort, makers of Yoma Table Water, tagged. An award of excellence presented to Yoma Farm Resort, makers of Yoma Table Water, tagged the most student-friendly table water manufacturing company in Delta State. We present this award in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and of course in the name of the struggle. Aluta continua.